Today, in this tutorial, we will learn simple registration HTML format form, uh, how we can do that. And yeah, before going into the tutorial, so yesterday I have uploaded a video on how to display a simple code to display a table format. So if you have not checked it, please go to my channel Coding Tutorials Hub, click on the subscribe button and see that coding examples. So in this channel I'll upload basic small functions that we use in PHP with coding examples, so that is easy to learn. So let's begin the tutorial, friends. Yeah, so we'll create a registration.php file. Now doc type HTML, and then you can have a head. Here you can have the title of the page. Let us say registration. Well, let's put it this way: user registration form using PHP. Now body, let us have a table. So tr td, like here we can have the user registration form. Again tr td, like you can have the first name. td, you can have the input type will be text. Name will be first name. Value will be null. Is it required? Yes. Same, in the same way we can have a multiple text box. What is your requirement? Based on that you can add multiple text, or whatever you want to grab the information from the user. So we'll have last name, first name, let's say email, let's say mobile, ILE, and last one will have address. So basic registration form TDRSS. Okay, so we have now, as we have copied for the for all the other, we need to change here the first names: last name, email, mobile, address. So we can add the form here. Form name will be registration. Action will be in the same page, registration.php, and method will be post. Close the form, cut it, add here. Now let's check how the PHP basics registration. See, now we have a basic HTML registration form. So let's try to do some changes and make it look nice. So here at outline to make the table align centered. Now let's check. Okay. So once we submit the form, we need to take the data in the PHP. So in the PHP syntax, you try to print what we are getting. Let's check. So first name, last name, email, mobile number, some address. So we should have a submit button here. So for that, again a new td now input type submit value is equal to submit. Close it. So why this is showing empty here is we have not submitted it till now. First name, email, address, submit. See, once we submit the form, the data has been collected in our post variable. First name is Nilesh, last name Shirsagar, Nilesh gmail.com, mobile number and address. So in the next tutorial, we will learn how to grab the values from the registration form and connect it to the database and save it in the database. If you have any suggestions to create any videos on any specific functions, please comment in the comment section so that I can make that video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial how to save the data in the database. Thank you so much.